When Bernie Sanders this past Monday went on Fox News, did his town hall, called out Fox News for being horrible, got the people in that audience to cheer for Medicare for all, and got the largest ratings of any town hall so far this 2020 election season, Democrats were still angry. They didn't want Bernie to go on Fox News. But other Democratic candidates, after seeing how successful Bernie was and how he was able to speak to those people and how he got them to agree with him, in the few days since then, other Democrats are now saying, hey, Fox, right here, I want to do a town hall too. I want to do a town hall. Let me do one. And Democrats are still pissed off. Some of them are, because they don't think Democrats should be going on Fox News, especially after DNC Chair Tom Perez says we're not going to let that network host a debate. So I am here to defend the decision of any Democrat to go on Fox News and do a town hall. I agree that the DNC should not agree to do a debate on Fox News. And I said, as I said 2 weeks ago, the reason for that is because in a debate, how long do you get for a response? 90 seconds? And then it goes on to the next person, the next person, next person, next person. You do not have time to elaborate. You don't have time to speak directly to people, to lay out your plans in a succinct and clear way. You have 90 seconds to throw out some talking points and then it's on to the next. That is not a good format to actually speak to the public. Town halls, on the other hand, absolutely a great opportunity. And Bernie showed us that. He fought with the hosts when they were being irrational. He called out the network for its horrible reporting. And he spoke to those people and he made connections with people he would otherwise not have a chance to reach. And that is what these other Democrats want to get in on, and they should. They should. Because here's the thing right now. The reason people are mad that Bernie went on there and other Democrats want to go on there, and I understand it to a degree, is because Fox News is awful. Fox News pushes horrible, anti-non-white people propaganda every day. They're an awful network. And the hosts are absolutely terrible human beings. But at some point, we have to understand that those hosts aren't the audience. And yeah, trust me, there's plenty of people in the audience who believe the horrible things that Tucker Carlson says, or Sean Hannity, or Ingram, or Judge Jeanine, whatever it is. They do believe it, and they always will. But there are also decent people who watch the network. People who casually watch the network. We can't just write those people off. They're human beings too. They're voters as well. And those are the people that Bernie was trying to reach, and you know what? He did. That's why you've got Pete Buttigieg right now saying, I'll do one. Klobuchar saying, count me in. And more Democrats saying, you know what? I think I want a piece of this too. I think I see now that it can be successful. And yet you still have some folks out there, Marcus Malitzis from Daily Kos, who says that I think it was good for Bernie personally, but it just shows that he's not a team player. He wasn't a team player. He was a team leader, because now everybody's following him because they saw how successful it could be. So Democrats should go and do these town halls on Fox News if they're prepared to fight. If they're prepared to hold that network accountable and let the viewers know not only that the network has lied to them, but that their president has lied to them. That is what Bernie did. And he didn't do it in an insulting way. He didn't do it in a demeaning way or a condescending way. He just told them flat out, look, this is what's happened. And here's the truth. And here's my plan. And they applauded him for it. A large portion of that Fox News audience is still reachable. And we cannot write them off and ignore them and pretend that they don't exist, because if we do that, they will join the ranks of the other Fox News viewers who are too far gone to ever come back. Thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget, if you like what you see here, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And now you can also become a member of Ring of Fire and get exclusive early access to certain Ring of Fire videos all throughout the week. Just click on the little join button right below the video.